The blockchain got started with its first implementation using a new type of currency known as Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a type of digital currency that utilizes the blockchain to help facilitate financial transactions. It laid the foundation for many other ideas underlying other blockchains. Understanding how Bitcoin works is an enormous step towards understanding the ideas that span across all industries. Because of that, we'll focus a lot on Bitcoin. In this section, we'll discuss the history and development of Bitcoin and how it helped develop these core ideas. To start, Bitcoin uses the idea of blocks to group and validate transactions. A block is a group of transactions bundled together. This idea is extremely important, but Bitcoin isn't actually the first time we've heard of it. The idea to group, validate, and link documents actually dates back to around 1991. This was the year that Haber and Stornetta released their research paper, titled How to Timestamp a Digital Document. In this paper, Haber and Stornetta imagined a new way to verify documents. They proposed timestamping documents and linking them to the previous document. They explained how this could form a chain of validated, up-to-date documents. What Haber and Stornetta proposed then would become the precursor to the blockchain now. Fast forward to 2008, when an unidentified author by the name of Satoshi Nakamoto published a white paper. This paper, titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system, laid the foundation for Bitcoin as we know it now. It completely changed how we view and understand currency. On January 3, 2009, Nakamoto released the Bitcoin software, unleashing the first Bitcoins into the world. Reviewing this paper will give you a strong foundation in Bitcoin, blockchain, and other types of cryptocurrencies that we'll be discussing throughout this program. And after this video, we'd like for you to review Satoshi Nakamoto's white paper yourself. As you'll see, the first line already began describing how a peer-to-peer electronic cash system can bypass the need for a centralized bank. From there, the paper discusses topics like transactions, timestamps, proof of work, networks, and many other topics. This paper covers many technical details about how Bitcoin operates and uses terms and concepts you may not be familiar with just yet. But that's okay. Try to focus on just a few key questions. What problem does the Bitcoin try to solve? What solutions does it provide? What components are used to develop this new system? Since I started exploring the blockchain space, I've referred back to this white paper several times. Many of the concepts that Nakamoto wrote about extend beyond Bitcoin and even beyond cryptocurrency. These are concepts that are fundamental to building a robust blockchain for any application. As the adoption for the blockchain continues to grow, debate and discussion will continue to surround these topics. And throughout these discussions, it's nice to go back to the source of where it all started, in this white paper. Surprisingly, it was only after Bitcoin was developed that we started to realize the potential of the technology underlying the system, the blockchain. Abstracting these same ideas to applications beyond just financial transactions is how the blockchain was able to begin transforming so many industries. So take some time now to read through this paper. It will help you better understand the key points underlying Bitcoin and the blockchain. You can find the white paper at bitcoin.org/bitcoin.pdf. And we've also linked it down below in the instructor's notes. After you've taken some time to read it through, let us know your thoughts.